DJ Hudz on some 2020 business.
Sound from the northwest, coming through your speaker. Sound from the northwest, coming through your speaker. Sound from the northwest, coming through your speaker. All through your earphones, I don't care either. Sound from the northwest, coming through your speaker. Sound from the northwest, coming through your speaker. Sound from the northwest, coming through your speaker. All through your earphones, I don't care either.
I grew up in Woodsy, BPM better be 140. Sounds of the northwest coming through your speaker. Everyone will be raving shortly. It gets cold and damp in the northwest, no wonder everyone gets soul sesh. Sunday morning counting my money, oh how I wish that I had more left. But wait, I got this rapping boxed off, no stress. Moving forward, making progress, increasing in speed like I'm flying for a vortex. I might be new to grime and garage, but my rhymes and flows are kind of savage. Currently I'm unknown in the game, I go underground just like I'm a carrot. And I ain't no farmer, floor so cold, better reach for your Parker. Northern lad from a northern town, why would I ever wanna go down south? People around here say E by gum, I go Blackpool for some seaside fun. And you should know I'm not in a gang, it's my word of mouth that they see my drum. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on the mic, yeah. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on the mic, yeah. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on the mic, yeah. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on the mic. Never gonna lose interest, keep on writing, who's impressed? I just jumped in the booth with Chef, you don't like this then you are deaf. Hopped on a beat from Polarity, not even lightning can take me down. Bars so hard they fuck with gravity, I'm so glad I wrote them down. Spent most of my time in Clitheroe, it's hardly the bit so. I like eating pies, and I like downing pints of pisto. Nothing to do round here, everybody tanked on zoots and beer. But I'm gonna have to show these pricks, I'm in a whale of a time like Moby Dick. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on the mic, yeah. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on the mic, yeah. Spitting more bars than a fat man choking. Lyrics are deeper than the bottom of the ocean. Late night trip to the shops, yeah, hope that it's open. Gonna enter the scene just like an explosion. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on my mind, yeah. It's J Hudz, bringing them sounds from the northwest. It's J Hudz on my mind, yeah. When I'm in the ring, 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 when I'm in a rave, I have to take a breather. Sounds from the northwest, going through your speaker. When I'm in a rave, I have to take a breather. Sounds from the northwest, causing seizures. Biddy 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 born in Blackman. Apologies if you don't like that accent. Biddy 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 born in Blackman. Actually, fuck you if you don't like that accent. Sounds from the northwest, going through your speaker. I know what time it is, like a random rolex. Sounds from the northwest, going through your speaker. Increasing in speed like a flying for a vortex. Sounds from the northwest, going through your speaker. I know what time it is, like a random rolex. Sounds from the northwest, going through your speaker. Increasing in speed like a flying for a vortex.